The 6 steps to solving linear programming questions. The 6 steps to solving it. Write down your objective function. What's your objective? And then write down all your constraints. What are your constraints? What are your limitations? Your objective function is going to be written as a linear equation. Your constraints, you can write them as linear inequalities. Money goes with money. Time goes with time. Just the type should match. That gives you a hint on how it should go. You're going to graph the region using all of the constraints. So whatever constraints they give you, all those inequalities, graph all of them and then shade where they should shade. And then you'll see if you have a region. If the region is bounded on all sides, you should have a maximum and a minimum value. If it's unbounded, you might have one or both or none. Okay, so you have to really look at it. Locate all of your corner points on the region, because locating your corner points are going to help you determine if you're getting the maximum value or the minimum value. It depends on what the situation is. And then evaluate the objective function, your profit function, your hours function, whatever your objective function is, evaluate it at every single corner point, and then you'll be able to locate the maximum or minimum value if that maximum or minimum value exists. Cool beans?